Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. Today we're going to do a review on the CC rider seat that I put on my Arctic Blast, a couple months ago. So I've put some miles on it and I want to give you some good feedback on that. So hang out and check out the CC rider seat. Hi and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for joining us. Hopefully you'll come out and join our nation. It's free, just hit that subscribe button and you're good to go. So today I wanted to review for you the CC rider seat. Now, you'll see that it kind of looks like a custom seat. I picked this seat. I've always had the stock seats, and actually I have to say I don't have any complaints about the Harley stock seats because I have put thousands and thousands of miles on them. They do actually pretty good. I was just looking for something a little different because, hey, it's the Arctic Blast. And for you that are not familiar with the Arctic Blast, this is a limited edition that Harley came out with in 2021. This is number 219. This is number 219 out of 500. This is all hand painted by Gunslinger Custom Paints out of Colorado. And they only, like I said, only did 500 in the world. There's 400 here in the United States. And like I said, this is number 219. So I was looking for something a little flashy. But I don't want to spend $500 on a seat. That just seems crazy to me. Okay, I'll spend $500 on something else, but for me it just seemed a little weird. And I'm gonna go, it's a seat. How much money are you gonna really pay for a seat? Now, I see them, you'll see them with the name brands, Saddlemans and all those others, Mustang seats, and hey, they're great seats. Don't complain. Everybody's going, I want comfort, and all that. Well, my thing is, I don't necessarily always just sit on the seats. I have my AirHawk pad that I always ride with. That's my seat cover of choice, let's put it that way. But when my bike is parked, I wanted something kind of cool. So I had seen this pattern, and it really lines up nice as it goes up the tank, and I was like, it just looks like it fit just perfect. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna get it. Now, one of the nice things too is this one, I'm gonna be honest, it wasn't real expensive and it was on sale, and CC Rider always has some pretty good sales. Yeah, they're knockoff seats, whatever you want to call them, but they are budget friendly, let's put it that way. So I thought, well, for a $200 seat, let me give it a try, why not? So when I got it, I was like, okay, we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't pan out, it doesn't pan out. I'm gonna be real honest with you. When you flip these seats over, the bottom on a Harley is going to be metal. Your support, your frame, let's call it that, is gonna be metal. CC rider seat on this particular one, it was plastic. And I was like, how long is that gonna last? And then the latch that you have back here, it's kind of flimsy. It's more like a hard plastic, and I wasn't really, you know. But I've put thousands of miles on it. I've ridden down to Arkansas with this seat. out in Indiana and ridden around, and I've put a few thousand miles on it now. And I have the stock seat, so if I ever want to go back to it, I can, but I thought, well, let's see how this pans out. It's lasted, and I can't complain, and it looks pretty darn good. Okay, it's a little dusty right now because we're in, for those that don't know, we live in the country, and there's cornfields and soybean fields, and they're harvesting right now, so they're kicking up all the dust. Everything is dusty. But anyway, back to the seat. I've been pretty impressed with it. Now, this one particular seat I picked, the one thing I like is this is my backrest, my adjustable backrest, and it does have the slot for the backrest. I don't have any problems with that. You'll see that I left the strap for your secure strap, left it on here because with it being all plastic and stuff, I thought, maybe just leave it on there. Really haven't needed it, but I will tell you, for the cost and the price of this, it's not bad. So let's take a look at their website, and I'm going to show you some of the different styles they have. I will tell you, for the price and what you get, if you're looking for a look, these are pretty cool. And I have to say, it wasn't sitting on it without the air hawk, it's not terribly uncomfortable. Now they do have some newer seats out. I saw they've got a whole line of gel seats that are coming out, and they've got some other ones. So let's go in and check, because if you want to kind of ride up, and I don't know how many people have given me comments on this seat because it looks so good with just the Arctic Blast. I'm kind of glad that I went with it just because it is pretty cool looking. Oh, this seat is white. This is the pure white. They have various colors for these, so you'll probably find something that would really look cool on your bike. So here we are in the CC Rider website, and you'll see they've got different styles for different bikes. So you've got Dyna seats, Sportster seats, Softails, and for you Indian riders, there's Indian seats, and for UJM and BMW seats, and touring seats. Let's go check out the touring seats. So you'll see they've got quite a variety. Can fit any bikes from 2008 to 2022. And you'll see there's a variety of style and prices. And I will tell you, they're pretty darn reasonable. Take a look at this one that's on sale. So if you're looking for a bargain, there's one. And if it happens to be the style you like, go for it. And you'll see a lot of them have various colors. So I bet you can find something that'll match your bike and you'd be pretty darn happy with. You'll also see they've got backrests that'll match a lot of the styles, so you can have the full-on look. So let's scroll down. This is the seat that I purchased, and you'll see that it's showing $260. I will tell you, I bought it on sale. I didn't even pay that much for it. So let's take a gander. They're pretty nice seats. You'll see that it'll show you close up. Looks just like what I've got. They've got the red. They've got orange, blue, grayish white. This is not the color that's on my bike. This is a more grayed out look. Then they've got black, and then they have white. This is the one that I have on my bike. And you'll see also they've got backrests, so you can match those up. You'll see they even for your ultra limiteds and your bigger cruisers, for the seat for your passenger, they've got the backrests that would match. So you've got all the colors and all the options. And when you think about it, it's a pretty darn good price. I will tell you, for the cost of it, I was pretty darn happy with it. And I would recommend getting one if you're on a budget and you're looking for a look. If you're looking for, I've got to have the most ultimate comfortable seat, this is probably not going to be yours. But like I said, I always ride with an air hawk, so it doesn't really matter to me. But I will tell you, I'm pretty happy with the seat that I have. Thanks for stopping by this week and checking it out. Hopefully you found this information useful. If you'd like to help out the channel, it's real simple. Just give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to join the nation, it's free. Just hit that subscribe button and you're good to go. And we'll have another video out next week, and you never know what we might see or share. So thanks again for stopping by. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.